Many of you guys, including myself, have a soft spot for the Galaxy Watch 4 and 4 Classic. After all, it was Samsung's first attempt to include Wear OS combined with One UI, and boy, did we have an interesting ride. The Galaxy Watch 6, on the other hand, brings some changes that could be impressive enough to be considered for an upgrade. Hang on. Here's the thing. Whilst the specs may not be appealing or indicate major changes towards, well, let's say battery life, there's much more to be considered than just specs. Look, with One UI 5 Watch being in beta right now, Samsung will most likely optimize the UI/software to be more efficient for the Galaxy Watch 6. There are way too many factors to be looked at, including your personal usage, especially when the screen size has been increased slightly on the Galaxy Watch 6. Looking at the new processor that comes with the 6, we can expect a 10% performance increase. When you look at the combination of One UI 5 Watch, Wear OS 4 and the new processor, it becomes apparent that Samsung will optimize the Galaxy Watch 6, which could result in better battery life. Even Samsung admitted in a blog post that they still have a lot of work to do with Wear OS and One UI, and that is one of the reasons why they delayed the beta version. And by the look of it, Samsung just wants to get it right this time. One UI 5 Watch will also be available for the Galaxy Watch 4 later this year. However, I don't see Samsung putting in too much effort to increase battery life considerably. After all, Samsung is a corporation driven by profit and shareholders, which means their goal is, well, to sell products and services, right? So, first and foremost, the Galaxy Watch 6. Another aspect you have to bear in mind is that we are 2 years in of Wear OS and One UI support. Samsung promises up to 4 years of support. Whilst this is a welcome change, I would not expect more than simple updates and fixes for the Galaxy Watch 4 to be released in future. Now, one of the biggest changes, if you can really call it that, is the return of the physical rotating bezel on the Galaxy Watch 6. And Samsung got rid of the bezel with version 5, which makes sense from a company's point of view. Any physical moving part is more prone to break and would therefore incur an additional cost to fix under warranty. The thing is, though, I have yet to see any reports or any issues with the physical rotating bezel on the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, which really means Samsung did a really good job of implementing this feature. We have seen many apps coming and going for Wear OS. However, app availability has become so much better during the past year. Many developers have seen the success of the Galaxy Watch in general and have decided to put more effort in and not just develop for Apple. At the end of the day, money talks, and the increased popularity for Wear OS didn't get unnoticed. There's one thing I do not expect to change, and that is the feature availability or lack of for non-Samsung phones. In order to enjoy all features on the Galaxy Watch 6, you will need to have a Samsung phone, most likely a flagship Samsung phone. So there's that. If you are looking to buy a Galaxy Watch 6 or you are on the edge and need help to make a decision, well, make sure to subscribe for in-depth reviews, but also to get a different perspective when using the Galaxy Watch 6. It was a pleasure to see you again. Thank you for watching. Peace out.